This is outcomes of the education department activities during this period of Ebola. These hand washing stations have been given to, first of all, have been put in different hotspots at Grace, just like the security, uh, the interest of the education department, the interest of quarantine, interest of guest house, interest of the kitchen, interest of night house, interest of the central offices. So all the hotspot have been endowed by hand washing stations. Why? Simply because the, uh, the outbreak of Ebola disease. Thank you. Following slide. In the community, there are some hotspots that have been also endowed with these hand washing stations. For example, at the hospital, Mulindengila Hospital, at military camp, I mean around the radio station, in schools around Katoyo, and secondary school, in different churches like Catholic Church, Protestant Church, Brother of Christ Church, Sepak, and so on. On the left side, the Grace is preparing the distribution of these hand washing stations at the site and in the community as well. On the right hand, you can see they say Grace staff are washing their hands at the interest of Grace. You can see Mr. Castro, and you can see Josiah himself at the interest of the education. So all the hotspots at Grace have been really endowed by these hand washing stations. Yeah, go down. Yeah, you can see, for example, that is Joyce. Joyce, who is a caregiver, aside, I mean, is near or the interest of the night house or gorillas. So he's washing hands before he gets in, gets out. Really, people are washing hands regularly. On the right side, you can see the educator Aline was really before he serves food to the guest house. She must wash hands first before doing any activities. Now we can see the team composed of the physician, the Mulinde Ngila physician. We can see the Grace Center manager. We can see the education manager himself. We can see Donna, who is a vet technician at Grace. And we can see the nurses at Mulinde Ngila Health Center. All of them have welcomed the Grace team by receiving the donations from Grace. They have received their jerry cans, their hand washing, and you can see the team really, which is very big. From there, we went to school. We went to school. The doctor himself said, I must go with you so that I must tell people to respect also the barriers of not spreading this disease. Thank you. This is the Attorney General of all the army, which is around Katoyo. He listened to us. He has been sensitized so that he may also sensitize his soldiers. We are in the center of the village of Katoyo, where hand washing stations have been spread there. We are in the Catholic Church. I think you can even see the priest welcoming us, receiving their hand washing. This is another church in Katoyo. The team is now at school where we meet first the teachers. They may also meet the learners tomorrow. Then on the other side, you can see the doctor, the physician, with talking to the learners, the secondary school learners. On the other side, these are primary school teachers, I think. Yeah, primary school teachers. Yeah, that's the end. Then thank you so much. That's